guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. I'm Alla, the host of this show, and today I want to show you one of my favorite recipes of all time. It's like my comfort food, if you say so. It's chicken otbivnije, and in translation it's like chicken cutlets or escalopes. I don't really know what's the right word for it in English, but if you do, leave the comment down below and let me know. But this is kind of a traditional dish that my granny always used to make when I came home. She would serve it with mashed potato and some gherkins, and I absolutely love this dish, guys. You can serve it with pasta, you can serve it with potatoes, buckwheat, noodles, anything that you like. Really easy to make. The chicken is super tender inside and very crispy and juicy outside. Oh my god, so good, guys. I promise you will love this dish. Let me know if you want to see any other chicken dish recipes. Leave the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I upload new recipes every single week. So you will never miss out on something new and creative. And again, don't forget, guys, my channel is all about simple, easy, delicious recipes which look amazing. Yeah, let's get started. In a bowl, add your eggs. And then you're gonna add your mayonnaise, a pinch of salt. You can also add pepper or any other spices that you like. Garlic powder goes really well. You can also use a bit of nutmeg. It's completely up to you. And then you wanna whisk everything together so that your eggs and mayonnaise incorporate into a beautiful sort of creamy mixture. At this stage, I'm going to add flour and mix everything together. This recipe doesn't require a lot of flour, which I really like, but you can also add more flour if you prefer a thicker batter. So this is completely up to you. As some of you know, I have launched my online cooking school where you can learn how to make the most amazing cakes ever. I've got level 1, 2 and 3 for beginners to advanced, and you'll be able to learn the beautiful mousse cakes. You can also do this as a gift for somebody who loves cooking and baking. I think it's an awesome present. And of course, if you wanted to learn yourself, each course has over 20 to 40 video lessons in there where I teach you all the skills, different cakes and unique designs. We also have a Facebook community group for all the bakers that join my course, and you will have my unlimited support throughout teaching and learning. I really hope to see you in my online cooking school, and if you have any more questions, then leave the comments down below. Take a board and place your chicken breast onto it. You want to cut each chicken breast in half because we really want our chicken escalopes to be very thin and juicy, and this way you also get a lot more portions out of it. So it's kind of a cheating trick for you here. You want to add your chicken escalopes into a plastic bag, and you don't have to, but I like to so that the chicken juice doesn't spread all over my kitchen. And then you want to take a rolling pin and beat the chicken up from both sides, and this will make it very tender and very soft. If you have a special tool in the kitchen, it's called like a tenderizer, you can use, of course, that. I don't, so this is another way you can do it if you don't have the fancy tools. And yeah, you just need to hit it a couple of times from both ends, and the meat will be super soft and gentle. You want to take this out and repeat with the rest of your chicken, depending on how many portions you're making. I can easily eat 2 of these, which would technically be a whole, a whole chicken breast. You then want to dip this into your mixture and coat it from both sides. I also like to add the rest of the chicken in there as well to sit while I'm frying the other pieces. So they just get a lot of flavor and are super coated. So I've added some oil into my pan and I've preheated it to nice and hot. And at this stage, you want to add your chicken escalopes inside. You want to cook them for about 5 to 8 minutes on each side, but sometimes it can be even quicker depending on how large your chicken breast is. This was quite a small one, so they cooked pretty quickly. You want to reach that beautiful golden color and check from both sides that they're done. And guys, this dish is so good. It's such an easy, quick chicken dinner. You don't have to, worry too much about how to do it. It's just basic ingredients, and the flavors are so yummy, so delicious, something different. And look at that, it's absolutely delicious. It's beautiful, it's very juicy, very tender. You will see how soft it is inside, and I'm just gonna show you. The juice is all coming up onto this board. But I really hope you try this chicken recipe. It's absolutely amazing. It's my favorite childhood dish, and I love the coating around it. I hope you check out loads of my other videos.